Well, hello, lifestylers, and welcome back to Lifestyle with Latasha. It is 2025, and I hope you've already kicked off this year with some great experiences that you've had with your family and your friends, and that you've got some amazing goals set up for yourself. Well, in today's video, we're going to take the time to reset and decorate our living room. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up a little bit. As you can see, all the Christmas is down, but I chose to decorate my living room by starting out with some Norfolk pines, and I am going to be going with more of a neutral theme in my living room for this part of the season. And I'll be using some browns and some natural green tones just to keep it natural on that. I don't really want to transition into spring just yet. So we're going to hold on to a little bit more of that winter season as long as we're in it. And the great thing about it is we here in Georgia just got over some snow. And from what I'm hearing, we're supposed to be getting another one. So it wouldn't necessarily be fun to go into the spring season with snow outside on the ground. So we're going to keep that winter season going in our home. Here's the next thing that I'm going to do. I'm going to add in some of these twigs. I actually got all of these items from Amazon or Kirkland's. And what I'll do is anything that I've purchased that is still available, I will link it down below, and you definitely will be able to shop those items on Amazon and pick them up for yourselves. All right, so the next thing that we're going to go on the table is going to be a coffee table book. And this is one of the really popular ones that you can get on Amazon. I love this one. It is such a heavy duty book, and it makes such a presence when you're creating your vignette on the table. Here's another one that I got from Amazon as well. It's Live Beautiful, and it really has some amazing ideas and decorating tips on the inside of it for you to kind of follow along. The great thing about these books, including this one, which is also from Amazon, is that don't just use them for coffee table books. Look through them. I thumb through these all the time, and they are chock full of just amazing things that you can do around your own home. This is an ornate piece that I've had for quite a few years. It's quite heavy and made of a very durable metal. And the great thing about it is that I thought it would make just a really nice appearance on the table with the coffee table books. Now here we are with my sand and fog candles. If you know anything about this channel and you've been here before, you know that I love candles and I love the ambiance that it creates in the house. And so we're going to keep that theme going right along in 2025. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and kind of touch up the bottom of this table. Guys, I can honestly tell you after Christmas, I'm still cleaning up glitter. I don't know about you, but it is still finding a way to have some somewhere. So here is a large oversized golden tray that I've had for quite a few years. And I'm going to be honest, I don't really remember where I got this from, but I use it quite often. And then I'm going to put in my restoration hardware magazines that I get. Another tip, if you're looking for things that you can utilize around your home, Restoration Hardware has these magazines that you can literally order online for free. The great thing about them is that they will also give you tips and ideas of different things that you could use around your home, and you could use these as well. So they're for free. They'll send them to you in the mail. So definitely go to their website and check them out. Here, we're going to go back to some of the coffee table books that I actually had gotten from Amazon. And the reason I'm putting so many is because I want to kind of build this section up. This is a Minimalista book that I've had for quite a few years. I'm going to put it on there. And then this one, if you don't know, if by trade, I am a realtor, but I actually do a lot of home staging for my clients when we're putting their homes on the market. So this is another reason that I make sure that I utilize these books. So here's a little piece that I got. I'm going to be honest, guys, I don't really know what this plant is called, but I really love it. And it gives such a nice effect when you're utilizing it in your decor. I got it from Big Lots a couple of years ago. The final thing that I'm adding, here are some beads that I actually got from at home, and I'm just going to have them put down here in the bottom of this table as well, just to finish out the look. And that's going to be the final touch that I'm going to add to this table. So of course, if this is something that you're interested in seeing, we're going to ask that you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel and leave your comments down below, because I always want to hear what you guys have to say and what you're thinking about the things that we're doing on this channel. This is going to be a really short video just to showcase some new decorating ideas for 2025. I hope that it gives you some type of inspiration. In this video, I'm also going to be redoing the couches. I've already completed them, and unfortunately, I didn't get to record that, but I'm going to show those items to you anyway, and I will discuss the things that I did so you'll have a full explanation of how it all worked out. But this is what we have so far. We've got the candle on the table. We've got the Norfolk pines with the sprigs. We've got our coffee table books, and we've got the Restoration Hardware books and coffee table books down below. And so, like I said, guys, this is going to be a quick short video just to kick off 2025 and get us going. And I hope that you've enjoyed it so far. All right, now we've lit the candle so you can get the full effect of what it looks like. And like I said, if you're interested in what you're seeing now, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this channel as well. And then don't forget to share it with a friend. We had a phenomenal feat that we were able to tackle in 2024, and I'm looking forward to continuing to grow in 2025. And I want to thank everyone that gave your support in 2024 and previously, because honestly, it's because of you guys that we've been able to do as much as we've been able to get accomplished in that time frame. So I want to say thank you so much for your support. All right, now we're going to move over to my end tables. And as you can see from Christmas, I had to keep some of the lights still in the house. I just wanted to bring some of that little spirit still in the house during the winter season. I've kept some of the deer because I thought that was just such appropriate, because as I mentioned before in a prior video, we have an influx of wildlife all around us, and we often have deer. And so I decided that I wanted to just kind of celebrate the deer that we have around and keep the colors really neutral. On the chair, I added this tray with a magazine, a little floral, and then, of course, my cup of tea that I'm going to be drinking shortly. And on the coffee table, I kept it really simple. Guys, coming out of Christmas, as you know, Christmas is a lot. And so I just decided to scale it all the way back, bring it to a minimum look, and keep it really neutral and really simple. Brought in some gold, some neutral brown colors, some of the green, just to keep it really simple. And it's really refreshing, because when we come out of Christmas with having all of the decorations all throughout the house, sometimes it's just nice to bring it all the way back down, just to allow it to be a place of peace and simplicity. All right, guys, this is going to get ready to wrap it up for this video. Like I said before, it's a really simple video, really quick, but I hope that it gave you some ideas on how to decorate your home. As you can see, I'm going to always have my throw pillows on there, and I'm going to have my pillow covers, and I just love the cozy effect that it gave. So here shortly, I'm going to be turning on the fire. I'm going to be drinking my hot tea, continuing to get some ideas and inspiration, and I wish you all the best. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.